Echelon Smart Connect bike pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been eyeing Peloton but want something more affordable, Echelon Smart Connect bike might catch your attention. But what do you actually get for the price? Let's take a look. The Echelon Smart Connect lineup starts around and goes up to about $999 depending on the model. Bikes connect to your own tablet or phone, which helps keep costs down. The membership about $99 per month unlocks over 40 daily lift classes and thousands of on-demand rides. Most people get this wrong. They think cheaper means less quality. But Echelon's bikes are sturdy, smooth, and packed with resistance levels to challenge every fitness level. You can join scenic rides, studio sessions, or competitive leaderboard challenges that rival Peloton's intensity. Beyond cycling, the membership includes yoga, height, strength, and stretching workouts, making it a full-body fitness platform. So, what do you get for your money? A durable, interactive indoor bike with studio-quality classes at a fraction of the cost of Peloton. If you want a connected fitness experience without the premium price tag, Echelon delivers impressive value for your investment.